Welcome back to Inside the Box, where we talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, the things that are inside your box. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to use your Swagbucks to redeem an Amazon gift card. I have some other Swagbuck videos on my YouTube channel, so make sure you go check those out. But for those of you who do not know, Swagbucks is a rewards program. You can get points or Swagbucks by taking surveys, shopping online, printing coupons, and several different ways. You can then redeem these points for gift cards or PayPal cash. Now, this isn't a way to make like an income, but it's a nice way to make some extra cash in your pocket, especially around the holidays. I used this last year around Christmas time to buy some Christmas presents, and I hope to do the same thing this year. Swagbucks is one of many types of rewards programs out there. So far, it's been my favorite, but I did recently find a new rewards program, and I want to share that with you guys at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so here we are on Swagbucks homepage. I'm going to go up to the top right corner here by the smiley face icon. You can see how many Swagbuck points I have currently, 1,187, which is almost equivalent to $11. Each Swagbuck point is about a penny. So I'm going to be looking at $10 gift cards to redeem. So I'm going to select this drop down arrow, and then I'm going to go down and click on Redeem Swagbucks. You can see I have many different options of different gift cards I can redeem, from Visa to Amazon, PayPal, Walmart. There's even restaurant gift cards in here. I can sort by featured gift cards, all the ones that are on sale right now, most popular rewards, or gift cards you can afford now. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I could also go over to the side here and sort by the value of the gift card. I know I want a $10 gift card, so I could click on that too. But I'm going to go down and click on the gift cards you can afford and click View All. So again, on the left, I could choose the value that I want, or I can do sort by at the top here and click the drop down arrow next to most popular. I can look A to Z, so my Amazon gift cards would pop up first, or I could do Swagbuck minimum to maximum. But right now I see the gift card that I want, and it's just this Amazon $10 gift card. It's worth 1,000 Swagbucks. So after I buy this, I should have 187 Swagbucks left over. I'm going to click on it, and here in this detailed section, just to sum it up, it tells you what types of things Amazon sells. It also lets you know Amazon is not a sponsor of this promotion. And the last part says, access to your gift code will be emailed and posted on your account profile under My Gift Cards within 3 business days of verifying your purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase this gift card with my Swagbucks. And when it says purchase, you're not paying actual cash, you're just paying with your Swagbucks. So at the time of filming this, I'm going to have to wait up to 3 days for that email to come through. And I will do that before I'm done editing this video so you guys can see that email. So I'm going to go up to the right here and click Claim a Gift Card. Now, if anything's blacked out on the screen, it's just to keep my personal information private. In order to claim this gift card, it asks me to verify my account information and my address. I'm going to hit confirm because everything looks correct. It's also going to ask me a security question. I'm going to answer it and hit submit. And then success, you just verified your gift card. Check your email for delivery instructions. I'll head over to my email right now and show you guys what that looks like. So here I got my order confirmation from Swagbucks in an email. Your order has been verified. Your order for an Amazon.com $10 gift card has been verified and is now processing. And this lets me know it might take up to 5 business days to receive that e-gift card code. I will keep you guys posted on how long it really takes when I get this email, and I'll put it in this video. You can also click on this button to view your order status. I'll go ahead and do that so you can see what this looks like. This will take me back to Swagbucks. So here on this page, you can see some of the gift cards I've redeemed. So if this is interesting to you, make sure you click on that referral link in the description box below and sign up for Swagbucks. So this is the Amazon card I just ordered, and it's letting me know it may take up to 10 business days for the gift card code to be delivered to this section of my account. So hopefully it doesn't take more than 5 business days to hit my email, but it could take 10 business days for it to pop up in this section like these previous gift cards did. So now we're just waiting for that email to come through. So that's how you would redeem the Amazon gift card. I will show you guys when that email comes through. I have another video about redeeming a Visa gift card through Swagbucks, and that was actually the first gift card I ever redeemed through them. And it's a little bit of a different process. It doesn't come right to your email. You do have to sign up for a My Wallet thing, so make sure you guys go check out that video. If you want any other how-to tutorials with Swagbucks, please let me know in the comments below. I do not work for Swagbucks, but I'm happy to share my experience with you guys. So it's been a few days since I filmed the previous footage. I ordered the gift card on a Friday, and on Monday it came to my inbox. So it took about 3 days, but it was the next business day. So it's hard to say if I ordered in the middle of the week if I would have just gotten the gift card on the next day. So this email was titled, "Your Amazon.com $10 gift card is ready," with my order number. And down here it has a link to view my gift card code. It also has a place to visit a help center if I have any questions, but I'm going to click on view my gift card code. So to redeem my gift card, I need to enter my Swagbucks passcode below. Of course, I'm going to keep this private. And just like that, here it is. So here's the $10 gift card, and down here is the gift card code. I covered this up to keep it private. I can copy the code to a clipboard, or I can print it for my records. If I go to Amazon and shop on certain items, I can get 4 Swagbucks back for every $1 that I spend. So all I need to do to use this gift card is copy the code and paste it into the gift card section at the checkout on Amazon.com when I'm going to purchase an item. So that's what it looks like. Really quick, I wanted to talk about another rewards program that I recently discovered. It is called MyPoints. I'll show you the main page right here. I'll put my referral link to it in the description box below as well. So MyPoints is basically Swagbucks' little sister. I'm pretty sure it's run by the same people. Just like Swagbucks, you can print coupons. You can take surveys, you can earn points by shopping online or uploading a receipt from a physical store. And you can also redeem points. I'll just click on the redeem points button here so you can see. You can also redeem those points for more gift cards. If you want a how-to tutorial on how to redeem gift cards for MyPoints as well, let me know in the comments below. But I'll leave my referral link to both Swagbucks and MyPoints in the description box. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if it was by hitting that thumbs up button below. And if you want to learn more ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, the things that are inside your box, make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel. Thanks everyone, and I'll catch you in my next video.